Oh my gosh, you guys, we have to tell everybody about this house. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins with Remax the Group and the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team. And today we're at our newest listing at 3259 Indian Scout. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and wait till you see the rest of the home. This kitchen has the taller upper cabinets, which you all know I love. This floor plan is so functional when you entertain a lot.
I love the split floor plan here. We have 2 bedrooms and a bath on this end, and the master is way over on the other end.
2 spacious bedrooms. You can see all of the extra upgrades in this home with the solid wood doors, the trim, even blinds.
Welcome to the master bedroom. Look how much space there is. Just look at this master bathroom. We have 2 sinks. We even have an area to get ready. And look at this gigantic soaker tub. And look at all the tiles and with the shower too. There's so much space.
There's a main level laundry right next to the master. And there's a laundry room downstairs. And I want to point out a Renai instant water heater.
Hey Mom, I need a refill.
Me too, Alisha.
Me too.
This wet bar is super nice. You can see the tiled countertops. There's room for a refrigerator and a wine refrigerator too. Okay, walk this way with me because I really want you all to see how huge this room is. There is an area for seating with an electric fireplace. You can have a pool table, or you can do what they did and have a Pac-Man table, not included. And there's even room for a pinball machine.
We're in the 4th bedroom downstairs with an egress window and a huge closet. The quality finishes continue in the basement from the upstairs.
Here in the basement, you have this bathroom complete with this beautiful tiled walk-in shower.
I've got to show you guys the hidden gem of this house. You can use it as a variety of different things. You can use it as a gym, a sunroom, green room, whatever you want. You also have views of the mountains, and it's even heated.
This is one of my very favorite backyards ever. There are raspberries and grapes and all sorts of different bulbs that come up every single year. There's mature trees, and I cannot wait to show you the deck. The new owner of this home is going to spend lots of time this summer up on this deck. And just look at the view of Casper Mountain. You are going to love sitting here with all your friends.
And your mom.
The curb appeal of this home is just as good as the inside. We can't forget to tell you about the RV parking that goes from the street to the back of the house. So you probably could have an RV and a boat. We'd love to show you this home, so call or text us. We want you to love where you live. Welcome home.